Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for retirement with Fidelity Investments, full guide step by step clearly. Determine your retirement goals and how much you need to save. Estimate your desired retirement age and lifestyle. Use a retirement calculator to find out how much you should aim to save. Open an account with Fidelity Investments if you don't already have one. Visit the Fidelity website and navigate to the retirement section. Choose the type of retirement account that best suits your needs. Consider options like a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or a 401k. Follow the prompts to create your account, providing necessary personal information. Research different investment options available through Fidelity. Look into mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs that suit your risk tolerance. Diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement account. Decide on a percentage or fixed amount to contribute each pay period. Regularly review your contributions and adjust as necessary. Monitor your investment performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market trends and how they affect your portfolio. Consider consulting with a Fidelity financial advisor for personalized advice. Utilize Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your financial literacy. Keep track of fees associated with your retirement accounts. Make sure you're aware of contribution limits set by the IRS each year. Stay committed to your retirement savings plan for the long term. Celebrate milestones along the way to keep you motivated. As you approach retirement, shift to more conservative investments. Regularly reassess your retirement plans and adjust your savings strategies. This proactive approach will set you up for a secure financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.